Okay, good day. I am from Global Ace Agency here in Malaysia and I am the Philippine recruiter. I receive verify data from Avantage Agency in the Philippines. Am I right?
Yes, ma'am.
Can you speak English or can you understand English?
I can speak and understand English.
Are you a 100% willing to come and work here in Malaysia?
Very much willing.
Are you healthy or do you have any health issues in your body?
I'm very much healthy.
If you feel unwell or if you think that there is something inside your body, better stay in the Philippines so that you won't give us problem at the same time, okay?
Yes, ma'am.
Our interview, this is recorded and it will be uploaded in our YouTube channel, but at the same time, your profile will be uploaded in our website. Do you agree?
Yes, ma'am.
I mean, do you have any friends or any family members working here again? Sorry.
I don't have family or friends in Malaysia.
Okay, are you sure? Because I don't want later that once you come to work here, suddenly you will tell us, Mom, I have sister here, I have my brother here.
I'm,
So don't lie to us, yeah?
I'm pretty much sure I don't have any relatives in.
Okay, so is this your first time working abroad?
Yes, ma'am. This is my first time.
Why did you choose to come and work here in Malaysia? Why you didn't choose to go Singapore or Hong Kong?
I choose Malaysia. It's for new experience. Also, I want to try the culture and for uh, for for my family.
Can you help me introduce yourself, please?
Okay, my name is Carla Marie, turning 41. I am my religion is Catholic. My height is 5'4". My weight is 5 kilos. And I came from San Miguel, Pasig City, Philippines.
Oh,
My
okay, so I need to know some few more details from you first. Okay, are you single or married?
I am single.
You are single. You have children?
I have one
You have one kid. How old?
age 18 years old.
18 years old. Do you have boyfriend right now?
No, ma'am. I'm
You are a single mother.
yes.
Okay, how old are you? 40 or 41?
I just turned 41.
41.
Yes.
So, what is your height and your weight?
My height is 5'4". My weight is 5 kilos.
65. What is your religion?
My religion is Roman Catholic.
What about your educational background?
I am college level undergrad
Undergrad in what course?
information technology.
Is your family allow you to come and work here in Malaysia?
Yes, ma'am.
Who will going to take care of your teenager child once you come to work here?
My sister,
How old is your sister and what is her occupation?
she's 29 years old and she's a teacher, private teacher.
How many brother and sister do you have?
I have 5 brothers
What about sister?
and one sister.
What is your rank in your family? Are you the eldest, the second, the third?
I'm in the fifth.
What about your parents? How old is your parents and what is their occupation?
My parents is all already deceased, both of them.
Okay. So, according to your profile, do you have any working experience as a housemaid?
Yes, ma'am. I have local experience for about 6 years as a nanny, caregiver.
Oh,
Um, I've been
okay. In which part of the Philippines or which place in the Philippines you worked before?
here in Metro Manila and
Sorry?
here in Pasig, Metro Manila. And
Pasig.
yes,
Okay,
the
you
one,
worked for 6 years, is it?
yes, ma'am.
What year did you started and what year did you finish?
I started 27 housekeeping.
2017 until?
2017 until 2020.
2017 until 2020.
Yes, ma'am.
You work for 3 years as what?
A housekeeping. It's January 2017 to November 2020 as a housekeeping.
Housekeeping. What is your job responsibilities there?
Cooking,
Okay.
laundry,
Okay.
grocery,
Okay.
ironing.
And then
That's it, ma'am.
you do house chores also.
Yes, cooking.
Okay. So after 2020, you work as what?
Elderly caregiver. It's
How many years you work?
almost 1 year, ma'am. It's on January 2021 to
And
April 2020.
January 2021 until April what?
April 2022.
So you work there for 1 year lah, over.
Yes, ma'am. Because
So 1 year and 3 months.
yes, ma'am.
What is your job responsibilities there?
Taking care of the elderly, taking taking care of her,
Is
taking,
it female or male?
it's a female, ma'am. It's senior
How old?
70 years old.
Are you a stay-in maid or no?
I'm staying.
So you take care an elderly and you do the house chores at the same time also.
No, I just taking care of the elderly, just
Okay.
feeding.
So after 2022, you have any working experience?
Yes, as a housekeeping and then nanny.
What year? What year did you started and what year did you finish?
June 2022 to October.
October 2024.
Yes, as a
So you work for 2 years.
yes, a 10-year-old boy.
10-year-old 10-year-old child, and then you take care also, you do the house chores, cooking, laundry, and ironing.
Yes, ma'am, and sometimes tutor.
Okay. So being a first timer is a very tough job also for being an OFW. You need to be flexible, you need to be multitasking. And employers here is very particular when it comes to cleanliness. Houses here is quite big. Are you ready for any task that the employer will be given to you?
I am very much willing and adaptable what is given to me.
Can you take your children or baby while doing house chores at the same time?
Yes, ma'am.
Can you take care elderly people?
Yes, ma'am.
Can you cook?
I can.
Can you caregiving for bedridden patient and disabled person?
Yes, ma'am.
Are you comfortable taking care of pets?
Yes, ma'am.
You will going to sign a 2 years contract, and any uncertain situations that might happen to your family back in the Philippines, please be remind yourself that you cannot easily go back home. Terminating of contract, you know that there will be a consequences, which is you need to pay your employer, and at the same time the agency has nobody force you to come and work here in Malaysia, okay?
Yes, ma'am.
Usage of mobile headphone, you cannot hold your phone for 24 hours, but instead you can hold your phone during nighttime only. After you finish your job for the whole day, and you will render your phone on the next morning before you start your work. Of course, you are entitled to have a rest once a week, but you are not allowed to go out on your rest day. You will going to stay only inside the employer's house, and if you will work, employer will going to compensate your salary. Are you okay with the rules and regulations?
Yes, ma'am.
We don't force people to come here. It's either you agree or you disagree. If you disagree, better stay in the Philippines or find job opportunities into other countries. Always remind yourself why you wanted to come and work abroad, because you wanted to sustain your family's needs and you wanted to give a better future for your child, most especially that you are a single mother. In Philippines, you can do whatever you want, but here in Malaysia, no such a thing. We need to follow the rules and regulations of the employer and respect the employer's culture at the same time. Any problems, any concerns, inform your employer, because you will be the one working inside the premises for 2 years, yeah? How do you fight your homesickness? Or how do you handle, how do you handle your homesickness?
I will.
Sorry, can you repeat again?
I will do my I will busy myself though working course just to divert my homesick.
Okay, I think that's all for now, Carla. It was my pleasure meeting you, but please stay connected through WhatsApp because Globalize agents will going to contact you to conduct an interview together with the employer, okay?
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you so much and have a good day. Bye.